No coffee, no patience, and definitely no budget for 6 lattes every day. I love espresso, but I don't love the cafe prices or the long lines between classes and meetings. Then I got this, the DeLonghi Linea Classic. It's basically a barista in stainless steel. 15 bar pressure, perfect temp in seconds, and it even makes iced drinks. No barista training needed. From Monday morning espresso to Friday night espresso martinis, it's all one touch away. If you love great coffee but hate lines and chaos, the link's below. This machine's a game changer.